Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can sign into Google Sheet and also use the template. Right, but as I can see, I don't have it right here on my desktop, so I'm going to open up the Google Chrome right here. Right, so you have the Excel and you have Google Sheet. Right, so some person maybe understand the Microsoft Excel but not the Google Sheet. Right, in order to get this, notice right here, you can also type here sheet.google.com, or I can come right here to the 9 little dots right here to my right, and notice I can actually scroll up. So this is for the sheet. So if I click on sheet, it's gonna take me directly that I have to sign in. Right, so if I want you to sign in, you don't have to do that. So I'm gonna select the account. So what I wanted to do is to put in the password right there. So when you type in the password, now what you wanted to do, definitely it's going to take you directly inside. Alright, so sign in, and notice we're actually right into a Google Sheet. So we're going to be viewing the template. If you notice this template right here, that's a monthly budget. Now this one I have to do with the Google Finance. If you notice, if I click on the monthly budget one, definitely, alright, this is exactly what it look like. Alright, let me shift this a little. You notice this is what it look like. So you notice right down you have the summary, and notice you have the transaction right there. Right, so definitely if I take shift out this a little more right here, you notice that's a start balance right here, then balance right here. So I give a little example. If you notice what it look like right here, so it will show you expenditure or your income right here, so it's including. So if definitely you want to do amount of budget, you can actually use this template right here. Right, I can literally click in it. You notice if I click in it, you can actually change the figures. Right, it actually set up already, so you can actually click in it and change the figure, put in your own figure and all that. But if you notice, it comes to the transaction part right here, expenditure, you notice you have a date, the amount to spend. You can also click again and move in, put in your own income. Over here you can actually do the same thing, just the same. Alright, so very important right there. You can come right here, so and click, you notice it as a blank sheet. So you notice it's on a sheet right here. Right, so definitely in Excel is slight difference. Right, but same, click here, just the same. Alright, so definitely if you come right here, you can literally come like this, change the name right here in it. So you need to change it, like moving decimal and stuff, you can actually do that. Right, if you notice right here, so sheet home, you click it right here, take you right back to where the template is. Alright, so we're going to look at this one. Alright, so this one I have to do with the finance. Alright, so very important right there. See, so if I take a time and come now with this, now you notice, alright, kind of too much. Alright, alphabetical section right here, you notice, to give you like a draft. Right, you notice right here, so now the watch list, you notice that. So for those of you who understand the financial thing, you can actually come and do the same thing, like change, putting what you want and all of that. So we're going to come back right here. Right, so we're going to take us right here now, annual budget. Now when I click on this annual budget now, you notice right here, you notice you have the setup, you have the expenditure, you have income, and you have the summary. So if I come down right here, you notice right here. Alright, so it also get started by entering your start balance in a row. Alright, so very important. So if I come right away and click, you notice right away, so now expense, so it get expense for January all the way down. Right, so you can also click, put in. Right, so notice it give you some local stuff. So if it's not medical, you can click right here and put in what you want and all that. You come right over to the expenditure, income rather. You notice tips or whatever, you can click again, type in where you want to type in, just the same. Look at the summary right here, just the same. So whatever changes you make, it will actually apply right there. Right, so this is how we actually view and use template right in Google Sheets. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video.